All right, if you've ever tried generating AI images but the results looked random or low quality. Yeah, the problem is usually the prompt. In this full guide, I'll show you how to generate better AI art prompts using ChatGPT in 2026, step by step. First, AI image generators rely heavily on prompts. A prompt is basically the instruction that tells the AI what to create. Now, open ChatGPT on your browser or mobile app and sign in to your account. When creating prompts, start with the main subject first. For example, a futuristic city, anime character, realistic portrait, fantasy landscape, or cinematic scene. The more visual details you provide, the better the AI usually understands the image you want. You can ask ChatGPT to generate prompts for different styles. For example, realistic, anime, cyberpunk, watercolor, cinematic, 3D render, oil painting, or cartoon style. Professional-looking AI art often includes camera angles and lighting instructions. Things like soft lighting, dramatic shadows, wide-angle shot, or depth of field can improve results a lot. When you find prompts that work well, save them for future projects. Always respect copyright rules, platform guidelines, and ethical use when generating AI art. And yeah, that's how you generate AI art prompts using ChatGPT in 2026. Once you learn how to structure prompts properly, creating high-quality AI artwork becomes way easier.